are pleased to show you the 2020 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, security system, trip computer, panic alarm, brake assist, tachometer, remote keyless entry, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, passenger vanity mirror, speed control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.